Imagine a nightclub. A crowded nightclub. Everyone wants in. Some people are safe. Some people are dangerous. Some pretend to be safe. Now imagine a massive security guard at the door. Checking every face. Checking every ID. Allowing only trusted guests. Blocking threats instantly. That guard is your firewall. Your network's digital bouncer. And today, you'll finally see how it works. Welcome back to Secure Cyber Mart. This is Network Security Masterclass, Part 3. Today's topic, firewalls. What they are. How they work. Why every network needs one. If you want real cybersecurity skills, stay with me. What is a firewall? Let's start simple. A firewall is a barrier between your network and the outside world. It inspects traffic. It filters traffic. It controls what enters and what leaves. Think of every connection as a small packet. A digital envelope. Some packets carry safe content. Some carry malware. Some carry hacking attempts. Without a firewall, everything passes. Anything passes. With a firewall, only the right traffic gets through. This is the foundation of network firewall security. It's not optional. It's essential. Why firewalls exist? The internet is full of dangers. Viruses. Worms. Trojan horse malware. Botnets. Ransomware. Phishing servers. Port scanners. Attack bots. Every device you own is constantly being scanned. Every open port is a risk. Every weak rule is an opportunity. Firewalls exist to block attacks before they reach you. They enforce borders. They enforce trust. They enforce order. Without them, chaos takes over. How firewalls work. Firewalls work using rules. Rules decide everything. Rules tell the firewall what to allow and what to deny. Here are a few simple examples. Allow traffic from this IP. Block traffic from this country. Allow only this port. Deny everything except HTTPS. Block suspicious patterns. These firewall rules create a safe digital environment. Firewalls inspect traffic using methods like packet filtering, checking basic packet info. Stateful inspection, tracking connections over time. Deep packet inspection, analyzing inside the packet. Application layer security, understanding the app behind the traffic. Modern next-generation firewalls combine all of these. They use machine learning, threat intelligence, behavior analysis, real-time alerts. Old firewalls just looked at addresses. New firewalls can identify malware patterns instantly. They can detect unknown threats. They can block zero-day attacks. This is firewall protection in 2025. Types of firewalls. Let's make it visual. Here are the main types you must know. 1. Hardware firewalls. Physical devices placed at the network gateway. Used by homes and businesses. Strong. Reliable. Always on. 2. Software firewalls. Installed on devices. Windows Firewall, Mac Firewall, Linux firewalls like UFW or Firewall D. Great for personal protection. 3. Network firewalls. Installed on routers or enterprise networks. Control traffic for entire buildings. Often used in corporate security environments. 4. Cloud firewalls. Hosted in the cloud. Protect cloud applications. Essential for modern businesses. 5. Next generation firewalls. Deep inspection. AI-based detection. Threat intelligence feeds. Advanced filtering. Best-in-class protection. Each firewall type plays a different role, but together, they create powerful layers of defense. Firewall configuration. A firewall is only as strong as its configuration. Perfect hardware means nothing if the rules are wrong. Here's what every good configuration needs. 1. Default deny. Block everything first. Allow only what you trust. 2. Minimal open ports. The fewer open ports, the safer the network. 3. Clear inbound and outbound rules. Most attacks happen silently, through outgoing requests. 4. Logging and monitoring. A firewall must tell you what's happening. If you don't monitor it, you won't see attacks coming. 5. Regular updates. Attackers evolve fast. Your firewall must evolve faster. 6. Testing. Pen testing your firewall reveals weaknesses. Better you find them than an attacker finds them. Firewall configuration is not guesswork. It's strategy. Real-world firewall scenarios. Let's look at real examples. Short. Powerful. Visual. Scenario 1. Malware download. Without a firewall. Malware enters instantly. With a firewall. Traffic is blocked before the download begins. Scenario 2. Open port attack. Hackers scan for open ports. If they find one, they try to break in. A firewall hides those ports. It blocks scans. It blocks intrusion attempts. Scenario 3. Suspicious outbound traffic. A malware-infected device tries to phone home. It sends data out. A strong firewall catches it. Blocks it. Alerts you. Firewalls stop threats before, during, and after an attack. That's real protection. Why firewalls still matter today? Cyber attacks are growing. Faster than ever. Smarter than ever. More automated than ever. Every device you own is a target. Your phone. Your laptop. Your smart TV. Your home router. A firewall is the shield. A firewall is the first line of defense. A firewall is the one thing you must never skip. If this helped you understand firewalls, hit like. Subscribe to Secure Cyber Mart. and continue with Part 4 of the Network Security Masterclass. Your network deserves protection. And together, we'll secure it. Thank you for watching.